This is Module 4, Lesson 27, titled One-Step Equations with Multiplication and Division. The goal of this lesson, I can solve one-step equations involving multiplication and division. As always, make sure you guys pause the video whenever you need to and make sure that you take good notes as you watch the video. We're going to begin with example number 1. It says solve 3z equals 9 using tape diagrams and algebraically, and then check your answer. We're going to first solve it with tape diagrams. I'm going to show you how to model with the tape diagrams to solve this problem. It says first draw 2 tape diagrams, one to represent each side of the equation. Well, for the first, on the left side of the equal sign, we have 3z. And 3z means 3 times z. We would represent that as z plus z plus z. That's what 3 times z means. So 3z would be represented that way, 3z. Now the other side would be 9. They're equal to one another, so we have to draw them equal sizes. This whole thing here is 9. Now, the next question says, if 9 had to be split into 3 groups, how big would each group be? If we split them up into 3 equal-sized groups, we'd have 9 divided by 3, or 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then it says, demonstrate the value of z using the tape diagram. We can see from our tape diagram that the z here is the same size as this piece right here. So we can say that z is equal to 3. We can see that z is equal to 3. So that's how we do it with the tape diagram. Now let's talk about how to solve this problem algebraically. I'm going to start by rewriting my equation, 3z equals 9. I'm going to separate it into 2 sides, and I'm going to ask myself, is the z by itself? And of course the answer is no. So therefore I'm going to ask myself, what's with the z? And with the z I have 3 times. So I need to do the opposite of multiply by 3. I need to divide by 3. 3 times z divided by 3 leaves us with just the z. Whatever I do to the left, I have to do the same thing to the right to balance out the equation, so that I have 9 divided by 3 on this side, which is 3. So z equals 3. On the next page, how does this get us our value of z? We can say, when simplified, the left will be z, and the right will be 3. Finally, how can we check our answer? We're going to check with substitution. You're going to take that original equation, and you're going to substitute the 3 in for it so that you have 3 times 3. And decide, is that a true statement? And of course the answer is true, so therefore z does equal 3.